Welcome to the London Perspective. I'm your host, Stefan. Today's episode is all about how teenagers can use ChatGPT, the powerful language model developed by OpenAI, to generate income and create their own content. First, let's take a look at some real-life examples of teenagers who have successfully used ChatGPT. One teenager, for example, used ChatGPT to write a novel and self-published it on Amazon, earning royalties from book sales. Another teenager used ChatGPT to generate content for their personal blog and monetized it through advertising and sponsored posts. And yet another teenager used ChatGPT to assist with research for their school project, which led to them winning a prize in a local science fair. So, how can you use ChatGPT to create and monetize your own content? Here are some tips and strategies for getting started. Start by experimenting with ChatGPT to get a feel for its capabilities. You can use the free version of the model to generate text, and see how it can help you with your writing, content creation, or research. Once you're comfortable with the model, consider upgrading to the paid version to access more advanced features, such as the ability to fine-tune the model to your specific needs. Use ChatGPT to generate content for your blog, website, or social media channels. You can monetize this content through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Try using ChatGPT to write a book or create other written content, such as articles or scripts, and self-publish them online. Use ChatGPT to assist with research for school projects, and enter them in local science fairs or competitions. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for business plans and pitch them to potential investors. It's worth noting that ChatGPT has a wide range of potential applications, and these are just a few examples. To learn more about ChatGPT and its capabilities, check out the OpenAI website. They have a lot of great resources and tutorials that can help you get started. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you used ChatGPT before? If so, what have been your experiences? What kind of content have you generated using the model? And if you haven't used it yet, what kind of content would you like to create with it? Let me know in the comments or on social media. That's it for today's episode of the London Perspective. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.